everyone, welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Nearly 900 children and young people participating in Pinardi projects visited Madrid's amusement park on 26 June in an event that has become a tradition since 2014. Accompanied by 130 educators, the members of the body's socio-educational assistance projects in the community of Madrid and Castilla-La Mancha had the opportunity to share this experience. This includes young people from the socio-educational assistance programs for school success, juniors and young people from reception and emancipation sectors, as well as young people from the organization's training and employment program. This annual visit to the Madrid amusement park is the final touch to a course in which all participants worked for a whole year to achieve success in studies, training and integration into society. On Thursday, 27th June, Father George Menamparampil concluded his visit to the Salesian St. Joseph delegation of Central East Africa. His mission was aimed at sharing experiences and supporting the financial management and mobilization of funds within the AFC-EST delegation. On this occasion, Father Menamparampil animated a two-day formation session 25th to 26 June for the economists of all the communities of the delegation in order to help them improve the management of assets and patrimony. Before the session, Father Menamparampil visited several Salesian communities in AFC-EST with the exception of that of Sasha due to the war situation that forced the Salesians to leave it and take refuge at Don Bosco Ngangi in Ngoba. The Salesian National Centers of Italy and Spain met in Madrid from 18 to 21st June 2024 for 2 days of discussion and work on the upcoming seminars and activities to be carried out together. The meeting was attended by the San Lorenzo community of the National Salesian Works Center of Italy, with the three lay people who make up the Council of the CNOS Educative and Pastoral Community EPC, and in addition to the members of the National Center of Madrid, also the Youth Ministry delegates for the two Spanish Salesian provinces, and Father Fabio Attar, Head of Formation of Salesians and Laity in Europe. Experts gather in the Vatican to discuss the ethical and anthropological implications of artificial intelligence, emphasizing the need for regulation and responsible use of data. After Pope Francis's message was released for World Communications Day last month, a conference entitled "The Algorithm at the Service of Humankind: Communicating in the Age of Artificial Intelligence" took place in the Vatican on Thursday, 27th June, gathering experts in the fields of AI and communications to compare ideas and discuss concerns on this issue. The entire Salesian Youth Ministry is oriented by its very nature to vocational discernment, since its ultimate goal is to help young people discover their own concrete path to realize the life plan to which God calls them. As 2024 well reminds us, the dream at 9 years of age was evoked by Don Bosco in the Memoirs of the Oratory, one of his most personal writings. Among other things, it is an inspiration to understand the first supernatural call that a young man hears. Therefore, looking at the experience of the birth of Don Bosco's vocation can lead to a better understanding of the call that remained deeply impressed on my mind for the rest of my life. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for tuning in.